Hey guys, what's up? PipSnipers here, back for another update. Let's take a look at Bitcoin over here. Nice bullish push this morning, going into New York lunch session. What we see over here is a impulsive move to the upside. This looks like your wave 1, wave 2. Come up for your third wave, come down for an ABC to backtest the neckline of this inverted head and shoulders pattern. And then this fifth wave would likely take us to this trendline resistance. And we would want to watch the price once it gets to around 65,548 at the 100% extension. And the reason I say that is because this over here could be some sort of diagonal pattern that's forming and chop up a lot of traders before it finds another trend direction, right? That would be the worst case scenario. The more optimistic scenario would be that we would just come down for what's called a partial decline, right? This is your partial decline. We would come down maybe 38.2 to 50% of the way for your wave 2, and then go up for a wave 3 for your sub-wave 3. Sorry, for your macro wave 3 of 5. Okay, so this is what I would be expecting on Bitcoin. Okay, looks like we are breaking above, we're attempting a break above the upper boundary of this diamond bottom pattern over here. See this trend line? If we look a little closer, we see that we are attempting a breakout. Okay, now bulls would just want to see a 4-hour close above it. So the 4 hours looking pretty strong. And yeah, I would be expecting the upper boundary of this current diagonal that we're in to be hit at around 63,736 and 65,548. Then from there, we would want to see how the price reacts. It either has a full break above 65,548 towards the 1.236 extension, which would be very bullish, or it has a partial decline, and then from here we would want to see how the price reacts. Either it has another push up for a wave 3, or comes down toward the lower fibs at the median of this diagonal. Okay, this is the median right here. This yellow box. Right here. Okay, so we'll continue to monitor this along with USDT dominance. So this is USDT dominance over here. As you can see, we were in a broadening wedge pattern. We had a breakout, but then you had a fake out at the 38.2% fib, and then on the daily we have a bearish engulfing. See this bearish engulfing over here? So I feel like the next daily candle will either be a doji, and then we can have continuation the day after. Okay, we will continue to monitor this, and if we do end up losing 5.73%, then it's likely we'll go towards the lower boundary of this ascending broadening wedge at 5.2 to 5.06%. As you can see, we did reject at the 70.2% fib when you take a fib from this high in September down to this low in March. Okay, so like I said in my last video, whenever you have a ascending broadening wedge, be cognizant of where the price is coming from. If it's coming from the upside and then you start to form a pattern like this, 90 to 95% of the time you'll have continuation downwards. Okay, and this is exactly what we see. Okay, so we'll continue to monitor this, and let's also take a look at Bitcoin here one more time. And you can see that it is trying to break out of this diamond bottom pattern that we have drawn. Let's take a look at another sketch that I did here on with the source being Kraken. I'll show you right over here. Okay, so this is just a simplified view of Bitcoin, right? This over here is your 3. Come down for a WXY for your 4. And then we have a 1, 2. But we would need to see how price reacts to this intermediate resistance over here. Okay. Now I am able to, now we will have to alter these waves as the price develops, but I don't always have time to update you on YouTube. So if you want to stay up to date, on all your favorite coins, then definitely click the link in the description below to join the Discord. Let's go back to, let's actually take a look at the Russell 2000 over here. And we see that it's breaking above intermediate resistance at the 78.6% fib and above the neckline of this inverted head and shoulders pattern. Okay, in this morning's video, I did say that if we end up breaking above 2208, then it's likely we would go ahead and take out the buy side at 2300, right? So everything is looking good. Big day tomorrow, so we definitely have to watch and see how the price will react to key resistance. Okay, the next macro resistance on the RTY would be 2244 right here. I'll make it black so you guys can see right here. Okay, but yeah, we'll definitely update this in the Discord. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.